You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this weapon, or dagger, of French origin, meaning left hand, used in Elden Ring. I've seen people saying main-gauche, main-gauche. Let's study the French pronunciation. Main-gauche. Main is French for hand. Gauche is French for left. Both those sounds are not really present in English, so it's not very natural. Main-gauche. Main. So you could say main-gauche, main-gauche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.